In stock now, hot off the press, the AllSpark LED light bar kit. It's a dual USB in red and white. Red to obviously keep the mozzies away, white to brighten up the night. Great thing about this 12-volt light bar kit, it's got flexible options to mount. Whether you want to light up your swag, your canopy, or your kitchen while you're outdoors, the AllSpark LED light bar kit is your go-to for weekend getaways, IP65 waterproof. These strip lights give you reliable illumination without it draining your battery flat. So low draw. USB-C connection, so easy to connect to a number of devices to power up this LED light bar kit. Control your lights remotely with a wireless USB rechargeable dimmer controller and RF receiver, or just manually adjust for the perfect setup. It's plug and play simplicity for the camper. Whether you're strapping them to your awning, four-wheel drive setup, or swag, full control over the lighting, the brightness and placement. So what comes in the box? 4 dual color LED strip lights, 1 USB-C power extension cable, 1:4 splinter adapter, a wireless USB rechargeable remote dimmable controller, an RF remote receiver, 10 Velcro straps so it's not going to blow away, 8 strip light end caps, and 1 roll-up carry bag. Here you have it. Durable bag with all the essentials in here. Click the link below and get yours today.